Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe of my favorite dinner. I am making Nihari today. If I have to eat just one thing for the rest of my life, that would definitely be Nihari. Today I'm sharing authentic and delicious Nihari recipe. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start the recipe. Bismillah. For Nihari, meat plays a very important role. The right part of the meat will make a lot of difference. For Nihari, the meat we usually get is called bong ka gosht. It is a upper thigh part of cow. When I order here, I ask for shanks and I get the shanks with the bones and ask them to cut in big chunks, and that's what I use. So after the meat, now let's hop on to another important part of the nihari, which is nihari masala. So I'll just go through with all the ingredients I add in the masala. I'm adding cinnamon sticks, some bay leaves, then I have some cardamoms, the black one and the small ones, then any star seed, badiyan ka phool, and a very important ingredient is dried ginger, sont. That actually create that nihari aroma in there. Then I'll use long pepper, which is also called pipli or filfil daraz. I will not add that much. I will add a very little piece. Then I have some nutmeg, mace, cloves, black peppercorns, cumin, and fennel seeds, soft. I'm adding all these dry ingredients into my coffee grinder and just grind it until I have a very fine powder. Just don't add any extra garam masala in there. The main ingredient for nihari is sont, dry ginger, and soft, the fennel seeds. So you can just make this masala and keep it in the jar for your future use as well. So now let's go and make our nihari. I'm heating up some oil in there. You can use ghee as well, adding some ginger and garlic, and just saute them for like a minute or two. Then I'll add some meat in there, and after adding the meat, I will add the prepared masala with red chili powder and salt. That's what all we need in terms of the seasoning for nihari. Now start cooking on a medium flame until masala is cooked through and meat changes its color. Here you can see there's a lot of oil. I will take this oil out, but you can do it in this step, but I'll do it in the later step and I'll show you how. I'm just adding water in there, enough water to cook my meat, and then mix everything well. And now I'll start taking the oil out with the help of spoon as much as I can. There are two reasons why I'm doing it. If you're trying to be healthy, just discard that oil or use it in any other recipe. Or if you want that raw one on top, we will add it later. The reason I'm doing doing this right now is because when you add flour, the flour seep in that extra oil. So it's there, but you can't see it. So just cover and let it cook until meat is completely tender, which will take like 3 to 3.5 hours. But we have to cook until meat is completely tender. Here you can see meat just start to leave the bones. And now it's time to add the flour. Now just mixing a flour with the water, make a thin liquidy mixture. I haven't added any roasted flour. It's a regular roti wala atta which we use to make a roti. Now I bring this flame down to its lowest setting. Just in case to avoid any lumps, I am adding all this flour mixture through the strainer. Keep on stirring until it's completely mixed through and your nihari is at your desired, comes to the desired consistency. Then mix everything well and cover and leave it on them for like 15-20 minutes. Till then we'll make our bagar. Now for bagar, you can just slice the onion, fry them, and then blend them before adding to the nihari mixture, so you will not see any swimming onions in your nihari. What I did, I chopped my onions very finely so I don't have to go through the blending process. Just adding the same oil which we took out from the nihari and frying the onions until they are nice golden. Since it's a bagar, so in the end I will add the nihari masala and a little bit of chili powder to enhance my nihari taste. Just fry it for like 30 seconds to 40 seconds. We don't want to burn our masala. Just add it into your cooked nihari, mix well. Again, cover and let it cook for more 15 to 20 minutes on the slowest setting. So onion will get cooked through and dissolve in the nihari mixture. The extra masala will enhance our nihari flavor. Nihari is relatively a very easy recipe. It's just intimidating. If you have pre-made masala in your pantry, you will whip up nihari very quickly. Here I just dished up the nihari in the end, just adding it that extra oil we just took out. Garnish it with some sliced ginger, cilantro, and green chilies. And I will call this a comfort food to enjoy in these chilly nights with a garma garam naan. You can definitely try this recipe with lamb, goat meat, or even with the chicken as well. I already shared the easy version of the Nihari recipe, and I will link that down below for you guys. And if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.